Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association MHRPA today announced that 15th Manipur Polo International will be organized at Imphal from November 22 to 29. The tournament is coming back after a gap of 2 years. Making the announcement during a press meet at Uripok Ningthaukonjam Laikai, chairman of the steering committee of the tournament, retired Professor C.H. Priyoranjan, informed that the coveted polo tournament will see participation of Colombia and the United States, while Spain and Italy are also likely to join. Over these teams, the India Polo Association will also be sending a team, India A, while a team from Chhattisgarh and the Manipur team, India B, will make up the final lineup. While speaking about the significance of this tournament, C.H. Priyoranjan asserted that the tournament has become the face of the urgent need to save the Manipur pony, the original mount of the game of pony. Besides, the tournament has acted as a platform for local players to showcase their expertise and talent, and many organizations have taken cognizance.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯅꯥꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯍꯧꯔꯣꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯄꯤꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯅꯤꯄꯥꯜ ꯃꯥꯄꯜ ꯇꯔꯥꯁꯨ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯁꯒꯣꯜ ꯀꯥꯈꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯣꯂꯣ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯚꯤꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯃꯍꯧꯁꯥꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯜꯃꯣꯁ 60% ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁꯐꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯄꯣꯂꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯦ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯄꯣꯂꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯛꯅꯅ ꯄꯣꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯇꯥꯐꯝ ꯍꯦꯕꯤꯇꯦꯠꯁꯦ ꯖꯔꯒ ꯃꯗꯩꯗ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯄꯣꯅꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯆꯥꯛꯇꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯣꯛꯇꯗꯅ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯗ ꯆꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯒ ꯀꯥꯁꯦꯞ ꯂꯩꯗꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯚꯦꯇꯤꯅꯔꯤ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯟꯁꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯁꯤꯕꯜ ꯄꯣꯂꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯇꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯩ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯁꯒꯣꯜꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯇꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯀꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯇꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯈꯟꯖꯕꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯏꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯗꯣꯅꯔ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯀ ꯅꯦꯒꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯖꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯤ